Hello everyone! 続々と合格のお知らせをいただいています。体験談は今後も更新していきますのでお楽しみに。
Hello and welcome to the Thomas YouTube channel. Fancy a special flavorful meal? I recommend Anhui cuisine. Anhui cuisine, or Hui cuisine, is one of China's 8 cooking styles, known for its rustic flavors, wild ingredients, and hearty cooking methods. Originating from Anhui Province, this cuisine takes inspiration from the region's lush mountains and forests, incorporating bamboo shoots, mushrooms, and wild herbs into its dishes. Slow cooking techniques like stewing and braising are key to enhancing the natural flavors of these ingredients. Famous dishes include Stinky Mandarin Fish, a lightly fermented fish with a bold aroma and rich taste, and Braised Hairy Tofu, a soft and flavorful fermented tofu unique to Anhui. The iconic stewed soft-shelled turtle with ham exemplifies the cuisine's nourishing and savory character. Anhui cuisine offers a taste of nature's bounty with every bite, making it a must-try for those who love bold and hearty flavors. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.